Hello students of UKG, welcome to the maths class. So students, today we are going to learn a new concept, that is ones and tens. So all of you follow the board and focus. See, this is example number 1. So you can see this is a stick, one stick. Okay, so this is 10 sticks. I have drawn this individually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 sticks. Okay, so 10 sticks means 1, 0, 10 ones. 10 sticks, when these 10 sticks are drawn separately. Okay, so these are 10 sticks. It means 1, 0, 10 ones. And you can see here, this is a bunch of 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this is a collection, or you can say a bunch of 10 sticks. It means 110. Okay, 110. So 1, 0, 10 ones equal to 110. Both are equal. Okay, just like this. See example number 2. This is one cherry. One cherry. Okay, so you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here you can see there are 10 cherries. So 10 cherries equal to 10 ones. 10 cherries equal to 10 ones. Okay, so these cherries are kept separately. All the cherries are kept separately. Okay, in the third picture, what you can see, this is a set of 10 cherries. Okay, so this is a set of 10 cherries. It means 110. 110. Okay, so 1, 0, 10 ones equal to 110. This is the concept of ones and tens. Okay, now let us understand with the help of abacus. So you can see this is an abacus. So this abacus is having two lines. These are lines, or you can say the strings. Okay, and these balls, these are called beads. So you can see the balls 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are called beads. Okay, see just below this I have written O and T. Here O stands for ones and T stands for tens. This is ones, this is tens. Okay, first we have to write ones, then tens. Ones, then tens. Like this you will have to write ones, tens. Okay, understood? Now, so you can see this is ones line. Okay, so how many beads you can see on this line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write here 5 ones. Okay, this is 5 ones. So write here 5 ones. And in the tens column, so how many beads? Can you see any beads? No, you cannot see any beads. Okay, so write 0, 10. Okay, 0, 10. So 0, 5. 0, 5 means 5. Okay, so from the abacus we have got the digit 5, because 0 has no value when it is written at the first. Okay, so we will write only the digit, that is digit 5. So from the abacus we got the number 5. Okay, now see the second example. So this is an abacus. So you can see two lines are there, and you can also see both the lines are having the beads. Okay, so this is ones, this is tens. Okay, so this line is for ones and this line is for tens. So how many beads? These are the beads. So how many beads can you see on the ones line? 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. So where you will write 3 ones? In this box you will write 3 ones. Okay? Then see the tens line. So how many beads can you see? Only one bead. Only one bead is there. So 1, 10. So you will write here 1, 10. Okay? So from this abacus we have got the number 1, 3, 13. What we have got? We have got 1, 3, 13. 1, 10, 3 ones. Like this we will write OT. Okay? Ones and tens. 1, 3, 3 ones, 1, 10. Okay? TO. Tens, ones. So there are 2 digits. We have got 2 digits. So we will write like this. 3 ones, 1 tens. Understood? Now see the next one. So see number 3. Ones, tens. This ones bead has 2 balls, or this one line has 2 beads. 1, 2. So 2 ones. So we will write here 2 ones. Okay? Then see this line, the tens line. It is having only 1 bead. So 1, 10. 1, 10. So from this abacus we have got the number 1 to 12. Okay? Understood? Or we can write like this. Ones, tens. Like this. Okay? See this one. Number 4. Ones, tens. This ones line, it is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 beads. So 7 ones. So write 7 ones. Okay? And the tens column or the tens line, it is having 2 beads. 1, 2. So write 2 tens. 2 tens. Okay? So from this abacus, what we have got? We have got 2, 7, 27. So write like this, 2, 7, 27. Or we can write like this, 2, 7. 7 ones, 2 tens. Clear? So students, page 88, this exercise. Page 88, the rest of the exercise you have to do it on your own. Page number 88 only. Okay? So students, I hope the ones and tens, this concept is clear to you. So don't forget to do your work on time. Okay? Have a nice day all of you and take care.